I dare you to give an erotic lap dance to...
Choose wisely.
No gay shit.
Sultana.
All right.
Your connection with Dambuski, do you think it will continue after the house?
I don't know, it depends on what happens after the house.
Cool. Real. Take off your shirt for the next 2 rounds, then you can wear it back.
Take it off in a sexy way, please.
Yes, in a very sexy way. Take it off in a very sexy way for the girls.
Do it to make you do.
Hello.
Tell to take off collar's shirt and go to the lounge and keep waving. Collar Makpamina. Collar Makpamina.
Hey,
Recently, I've been seeing you around Sultana. I want to know what's going on.
You know, we're getting to know each other better. And, you know, we're getting closer. And, you know, there's nothing more than that.
Would you ever, would you want to be in a ship with Tracy eventually if you had your way? Yes or no?
No.
Oh.
Coach, when will you get married?
This year, next year.
Okay, when is your wedding?
I can't say because I know I come outside now. So when I come outside, we'll know. So when I'm getting married, is maybe next year. Yeah.
To replace Avatar with somebody else, the relationship you created from the start up until this moment.
Is it a must?
Yes. It is not an actual reality. It is just a question. It's just a question.
The relationship is not like kind of sexual, it's just normal.
Leave them. They go
Who would that be now?
Both are the thing, both past and present. He said from the day I walked in.
Yes. Please be fast about it.
Tell me.
Not so real. I need you to pick a girl on this table and make her blush.
That
one has nothing.
So, So, Saturday party. Yeah. So we were dancing, and I was alone, just standing there vibing. So Midi came to me, I was like, Culture, do you know I love you, right? Not like love, oh. When I don't understand, oh. Do you know I love you, right? You know you're one of my guys in the house, right? I love you, and she did like this. Whenever I'm in the toilet, Midi will be always there. I'll be like, Culture, are you okay? Are you okay? So it's rare to see something like that from an opposite gender. So
antics are so rare.
Oh, Culture, I'm blushing. Thank you.
Okay, so you came into the house and in less than 36 hours, you started confessing love to me. Was that part of a script or as part of like your strategy in the house, or were you being genuine in less than 36 hours?
For me, I'm being genuine, and I don't know what strategy is called. Okay. I just came to you and I was being genuine, period.
All right. Real.
A good friendship with outside of the house on this table. What do you think?
Only on this table?
Yeah.
Medium color.
which of the ladies are you attracted to?
In this house?
Yes, in this house.
Currently or in the one?
Oh, that's changed. Like is it just you in the house or including
Currently? Nobody.
I dare you to lap dance your bobo for 15 seconds.
Yeah, why?
Your body like.
You are disappointing me.
I did my best, guys.